We are proud to show you our latest Tipmatic Unit 1.2. You'll find out in the video which new features we've improved and newly developed. We'll look at 2 points. First, the push-through capability of the drawer, which has been newly developed, and the simplified disassembly of the unit. We've significantly improved these. Plus, at the end of the video, I'll tell you what we've optimized on our Dynapro runner. With the new unit, it's now possible to push the drawer completely to the end, and the drawer won't open anymore. You even saw how the cabinet shifted back a bit. And so, there are 3 ways to close the drawer. As just seen, push the drawer all the way to the end, or close the drawer with momentum. And the last option is to guide the drawer up to a point of resistance and push it a bit further until the drawer closes by itself. A big thank you for your feedback on how we can constantly improve our products. For one, we've reinforced the connection plate on the unit, and we've also made it larger. This makes the unit sit even more stably and securely on the runner. And it's also easier to disassemble again. There are 2 very simple ways to release the unit from the runner. This small tab, I can press down to release the unit from the runner. The advantage here is that the unit is now very easy to mount and demount, even when installed. The second option is to release the unit from the runner using a small screwdriver. Screwdriver through the hole, press the plate down and disassemble the unit. As easy as it is to disassemble the unit, it's just as easy to mount the unit again. To do this, bring the unit under the runner, insert it into the second hole at the front, and then clip the unit on from the side. Now you heard that nice click. As promised, I'll now tell you what we've optimized on the Dynapro runner. Thanks to a small change to the runner, the activators can now only be mounted on the correct side. We've widened the rear mount a little bit. The activator itself is unchanged and can be clipped on as usual. I hope you like the improvements in the current version of the Tipmatic soft close unit as much as I do.